Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. And our today's topic is about electrolytic method or electroplating. Electroplating is the depositing of one metal with another metal. And it is a short question, and the process is used to protect metal against corrosion and to improve their appearance. Principle: what is the principle of electroplating? And you have to it can be asked as a short question. Principle of electroplating is to establish an electrolytic cell in which anode is made up of the metal to be deposited and the cathode of the object on which metal is to deposit. For example, if we want to electroplate, or if we want to do electroplating of iron sheet or electroplating of a key, iron key, first of all we will connect chromium, zinc or nickel, any metal which we want to use as a coating layer on an iron sheet or key. We will connect in the electrolytic cell, and the metal which we want to be deposit on another metal act as a anode, and iron sheet and key which we want to make a layer on the iron sheet, and the material which we want to deposit by another metal will act as a cathode, and we will connect key or iron sheet with the negative terminal of the battery in an electrolytic cell. So the procedure for electroplating is that first of all we will clean the iron sheet which we want to electroplate with another metal with sand. First of all we wash it clean with sand, wash with caustic soda solution, and finally it thoroughly wash with water, and we will clean it properly. After that, the anode is made of the metal which is to be deposited like chromium, nickel, and the cathode is made up of the metal and made of the object which we want to be electroplate, and which we want to be make a layer and of chromium and nickel on it. So in the electrolytic cell, the electrolytic solution will be the salt of the metal being deposited. For example, if we want to deposit copper on iron sheet, we will use the solution of copper nitrate. If we want to deposit chromium or nickel or on iron sheet or key, we will use the salt of chromium nitrate and nickel nitrate. These electrodes are connected with the battery. When the current is passed, the metal from anode dissolves in the solution. For example, when the current is passed, it will be when we pass the current, the metal from anode dissolves in the solution and metallic ions migrate to cathode and discharge or deposit on the cathode, which is our object. We want to be make a coating on it. As a result of this discharge, a thin layer of metal deposit on the object, which is then pulled out and cleaned. Some example of electroplating are given as electroplating of silver, and it is the same procedure in which electroplating of silver we will use silver as a anode and the metal ion or metal sheet or iron sheet as a cathode, and we use electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution as a, you can see on the screen that battery we used silver rod which is made up of silver. We want to deposit on the spoon to be plated with it silver, so we will use silver rod of anode which act as anode, and we will connect with the positive terminal of the battery and it act as anode, and with the negative terminal battery we will attach a spoon which we want to be deposited by silver. So the electrolytic solution inside the inside it we will use the silver nitrate solution, and when we pass the electricity from it, silver nitrate will give electrons and will convert into positive Ag positive ions at anode. Silver ions give its electron, and at cathode these electrons, silver ions migrate towards the cathode and will deposit on the cathode by accepting electron from the cathode, and they will form a thin layer on the cathode, which is our object, which is the spoon to be plated. And this is the process of electroplating, and it is very easy and interesting. So